Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just finalized another successful day by trading live. I trade live every single day on another broker. I will now show you that you can trade exactly the same on this broker. So if you want me to start trading live on Pocket Option, make sure you comment below the video and like this video and I will consider it. Also, if you have an account here from before and you have not used my link, I will make sure that you join and you will have a more success, okay? Because I give you 60% of my affiliate income. That means you are much more easy to make success with this broker because every time you trade, you get cash back if you use my link. So if you have an account from before, make sure you close it down. If you have no account from before, just sign up with the link. So sign up with using this link you see up there right now, and you will then get 60% of my affiliate income every time you trade as a cashback, okay? Also, if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra on your deposit. So make sure you deposit more than $100 if you want that, okay? So I will now start with trading a little here and let's see how I do. And if you want to trade live together with me, make sure you comment below the video and I will consider it if I see if enough people have interest about that. So let's get into the strategy. So now let's see what we can find here. Right after that, I can find two areas I'm very interested to do trades. That is down here. And I forgot to mention, you also find a link below the video for everything. So let's see here now. We will keep that one to our green line there. I will put a line in the top also, so we have two areas of interest. Up here also we can see we have a beautiful line. That one we will keep to red. So if we can come down to this region here, we will just push up. I will do a $100 trade in 1 minute close, and if we come up here we will easily push down. So this is the areas I'm interested to trade. We are currently a little far away from both lines, so this is for this one here. Let's move it all the way to the side here. We are going to follow that one, so if something happens we will go back there. Now when it comes to this pair, we see that we are moving a little downwards, so I will be happy to take a trade in the top. We also see that his will be more like I'll show you. Let's take this one. I think I will take it there. Let's take it to a red one and thickest line, and I will take a trade up here now. There. Reason for that is I will show you now. If you take trend line oh, sorry, take a trend line here, you see that he's also trending a little upwards and he's trending downwards, so we're getting into more like if I can draw something like this. But for now this should be a winning trade. So now let's see. See, we are deep in the money right now. We have 25 seconds left, and that's how easy we can win on this broker also. Here I do not use trend lines on this on the another broker, but I do on this one. So you can see, we can clearly see a nice trend line here. And what I was talking about, I can show you the another way also. If we can move it up, let me see. We won it, so there we won $92. If we take effect, no. Now he broke it up here, so that means the next area of interest. Maybe this will not be so good now. No, I would like to move this one up, because after a break he have a tendency to come up to the start of the trend, and that is up there. So I will now see if this will hold. looks like he might do. You see, he go back to the start of the trend. That is quite often he do. So that is basically how we are trading on this broker. I will keep this video short. Now you see, now he broke up for some reason. He closed it here and jumped it up here. Very strange. I was planning to take a trade on this line, because he typically should open the bar here, but he jumped it up here, so we never got that opportunity, and thank God for that, because we would have lost. But there you see, I'm not going to tell you that we will have a 100% win rate. I can show you very fast on the another broker. Let's see, I'll just show you so you can have an idea. You find a link to this broker also. I trade live here every single day. I will show you the trades we did in our live session today. So you have an idea that I am not a person that win every single trade. I will never tell you that I will win every single trade. But here you can see, here you see the last trades from yesterday. And here you see we started this live session today with a losing trade. Then we got 2 winners, we lost 1. Then we got 5 winners in a row. We lost 1, we got 1, we lost 1, and we won the last 2. With that, I turned at a profit of $550. I do only $100 trades, the same you see I did here on this broker now. So, once again, if you want me to do the same on this broker, make sure you comment below the video, make a like on the video. More like, more comments I get, higher probability I will start to do live session daily on this broker also. And also make sure, if you have accounts from before, make sure you open with my super link, because this will make an advantage for yourself, so it's easier for yourself to turn profit. So if you're winning, losing, with help of my link, you might then turn profit instead of go little in minus. So make sure you take advantage of my link so you can make the best out of your situation. And if you first do a deposit, make sure you do a deposit more than $100, so you get also 50% extra on this broker. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you on the live stream on this in the future. Have an amazing day. And also, don't go yet. Like I said, I do trade live on this broker every single day, so make sure you check out in my channel. I always have a link to the next live session, so you can put alerts, so you can join it. And I hope to see you there. Have an amazing day.